What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. I wasn't feeling myself yesterday without shooting a bunch of videos, but Jude is here today, and he is the light of the Meineke day. So, I just finished up an exhaust job, and then the next job is a, what is this? A 2020 Kia Kona? Kia Kona, and the dealer said to the customer
That's
that
a Hyundai.
Kia Hyundai, it's the same stuff. That they recommend replacing spark plugs every 40,000 miles. Old days, it used to be every 30,000 miles. Even though engines have advanced, technology is advanced, and spark plugs have advanced, guess what? They only raised the bar 10,000 miles. How about that? So, how many people out there go over 40,000 miles without doing some type of tune-up? 99% of the world. This is also a GDI engine, and I'm shocked that they didn't say that this requires special maintenance. Jude, right? So spark plugs and a GDI service.
Is this all-wheel drive?
Go hand in hand. No. Yeah. So I just looked it over for his 40K, and I'm shocked they didn't recommend diff services or anything else. Interesting. No, it is all-wheel drive. Yeah. So it's crazy that they didn't recommend doing diff services. Rear differential. I'm almost shocked, but not shocked, that you can't get a straight answer from your dealership on what actual maintenance needs to be done before the mileage that they say it's due, because that's worn out in my opinion. Everybody else will probably have something else to say.
I'm trying to see if I can find if I'm not all that, I can recommend. New spark plug.
You're probably going to find it under maintenance.
That's where I went to.
Huh?
Maintenance. And then I went down to.
No, normal over here. Service tables. So, no, go back.
So 6,000 miles, 12,000 miles, 18,000 miles.
Just go to spark plugs, will you?
So I'm done.
And shut your pie hole.
They have nothing on all that.
Yeah, but it only goes 18,000 miles.
No, it goes to 30.
Ah. So what's on the next one? Shut your pie hole. Huh? How about that? Found some in here. Look at this. Engine oil and filter.
No, it's 12. It's 12,000 miles. I don't know.
I just watched the Toyota video, 10,000 miles with 0-18.
Well, it's like apple juice.
So look at, wow. Here you go. Dual clutch trans fluid. Wow, that's high in my opinion. Interesting. Very interesting.
I literally just say more frequently. Like, what the fuck is more frequently?
More frequently than probably what it says in the service procedures. Wow, isn't that some shit right there?
I've always been like.